Question number 9. It is found that 75% of students in SMK Permai go to school by bus. If 8 students are chosen at random, find the probability that at most 2 of them do not go to school by bus. So we are looking for students who do not go to school by bus. So we cannot use 75% because 75% is people who go to school by bus. Okay, so this is a binomial. So the p value, okay, the n value we already know is 8 because there are 8 students here. N equals to 8, and the p value we have to use based on what the question is asking for. I mean, it'll be easier to do that way. So since they say do not go to school, so the probability we are using is not 75% but 25%. So 0.25, Q is 0.75. Okay, I hope you understand. P, because P is the 75% is those who go to school by bus, but we are looking for do not go to school by bus. So we cannot use 0.75, use 0.25 for P value. So now we are looking for, find the probability that at most 2. At most 2 means we are looking for the probability of when X is, at most means less than or equal to 2. At most means maximum. So maximum 2. So you cannot, maximum 2, that means cannot be higher than 2 lah. So it can be either 2 or less. Okay, so we are finding for this. So let's do this together. So question A, we are looking for px less than equal to 2 equals, okay, p was what, 8, right? N is 8, so 8, okay, wait, before that we just write down what we need first. So we need px equals to 0 plus px equals to 1 plus px equals to 2. Okay, so these are the 3 things we're looking for, 3 probabilities. So the for 0 will be 8C0, the p value is 0.25 power 0. Okay, this is always the same as this, and then 0.75 power, so 8 minus 0 is 8, so you write 8 here. Then the next one is 8C1, 0.25 power 1, 0.75 power 7. Last one, 8C2, 0.25 power 2 and 0.75 power 6. Okay, so when you calculate this, I'm just going to write the answer straight. So the answer will be 0.6785. So you can just straight away do this on your calculator. Okay, next, question B. The mass of fish reared in a pond is normally distributed with mean 1.5 kg, standard deviation 0.4 kg. The fish are graded by mass. So this is the table. A fish is caught at random from the pond. Find the probability that it is of grade A. So we are looking for the probability of this grade A. So we are looking for grade A, so we can just straight away use normal distribution. Question B. We are looking for x more than 2. Oops, sorry. X more than 2. So x more than 2, first step is we want to convert it to standard normal distribution. So it's going to be px more than, oh sorry, not x, z, more than 2 minus the mean. Mean is 1.5. Okay, as shown up here. Where is it? Mean, yeah, let me just write down. Mean is 1.5 and then standard deviation is 0.4. Okay, so we're going to use all this information. Minus 1.5 divided by 0.4. So you will get your answer z more than 1.25. Okay, so it's either you use calculator or you can use your table. So I'm just going to use the table here because it's quite straightforward. 1.25. Okay, I don't know whether you can see this, but 1.25 is here, 1.2 is here, and then 5 is here. So you go down, go here, pop, there you go, 0.1056. Oops, sorry. 0.1056 1056. Okay, so that is the answer. Question B2. So B2 is asking for what? It is given that 72.84% of the fish are grade B. Okay. Represent the situation by sketching a normal distribution graph and express the shaded region in the probability notation. Hence find the value of K. So they want you to draw the graph and also find the value of K. So first of all, we know that this probability here is, this is not what we found, 0.1056. So the grade A is 0.1056. Now they are saying that 0.72 here, this one is this probability is 0.7284. So that's the probability. So we can actually, instead of doing this, we can straight away do this. Okay, we take 1 minus 2 of this, 0.7284 minus 0.1056. So you get 0.166. So 0.166 is the probability for this. Okay, these probabilities, because it's so much easier to do this. Okay, so I'm going to do that. Okay, let's see. Question 2, B2. So we are looking for probability of when x is less than k. X less than k, probability is 0.166. Okay, so if you are using the table, you have to convert it to x more than k, because when you see the graph, when the standard normal distribution, right, x less than k is here. I mean, not to say x less than k lah, but when you convert it to standard normal distribution, that means k minus mean over standard deviation is going to be this side, of course less than, right? And then there's one more, is going to be the right side. Okay, it's going to be the right side. So it's actually the same, because the probability on the left, on the right is the same. Okay, so you can actually just straight away convert it to more than, if you're using the table. If you're using the calculator, you can straight away use this one, this range. Okay, so I'm going to use the table. So it's going to be, if let's say I use the more than, so this will be 0.166. So 0.166 I can find from the table. Let's see, 0.166. Let me erase this first. 0.166. I don't know if you all can see, it's a bit blur. But 0.166 is here, there. 0.1660. Okay, this is, so we are taking 0.97. Okay, 0.97. Okay, so 0.97. So that means we know that when, okay, let me erase this first. Oops. So we know that when we convert it to standard normal distribution, k minus 1.5 over, what's the mean, standard deviation 0.4, you should, this one is still 0.166. so when I find the value of k, I already know 0.166 represents 0.97, right? Is that 0.97 or 0.95? Let me check again. 0.97, yeah. So 0.97 represents k minus 15 over, k minus 1.5 over 0.4. But please make sure you put a negative, because we know it is on the left side of the graph. Okay, it's on the left side. So this is going to be a negative value. Okay, so rearrange this. K equals to negative 0.97 times 4. Then you have to plus 1.5. So in the end, the k value that you will get is 1.112. Okay, k equals to 1.112. One more thing, since they asked to draw the standard normal distribution graph, so we have to draw that. Okay, so standard normal distribution, let me just write there. Okay, this is the center, 0. Okay, so we know that A, B, and we got 3 grades, right? A, B, and C. So okay, the A one, the A is going to be, let's say A is here. Okay, this part here, this is A. The probability of this is what we got just now, 0.1056, 0.1056, and the value here is what? K, this one, right, should be the same as this, 1.25. Because x equals to 2, we convert to standard normal distribution, we got 1.25. So this will be 1.25. And then we got this one should be the range of B. This one is B. The probability of B is what we saw just now, 0.77284. That's what they give, right? There. 0.7284. 0.7284. That is for B, and then the remaining this side here is C. And the probability is, just now we found what? 1 minus this one, 0.166. So this is 0.166, and the line here, what does this represent? We found that's the K value, because not the K value, the K minus 1.5 divide 0.4, because we want the standard normal distribution. So it's going to be negative 0.97. So this is negative 0.97. Okay, so this is the sketch. Okay.